To see Snap on Snapchat web. Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you the ways to see or watch Snap on Snapchat web. In order to begin with, first thing first, check your internet connection. Go ahead and open up a web browser. Once you open up a web browser, on the web address bar type in www.snapchat.com/ and this is gonna take you to the official web page of Snapchat web. Here you need to go ahead and tap the button that says login into chat, which is located in the bottom left hand side corner. This is gonna take you to the login page, so make sure that you're already logged in. If not, enter in your credential and log in into your Snapchat web account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the interface like this. So right on this page, you'll need to make sure to enable notification. You'll need to enable some of the permission. Only then you'll be able to view Snap on Snapchat web. So click on enable notification and make sure to click the allow button. If you've done that, go ahead and tap the center of the camera icon located right in the center and click the got it button. Once again, tap on allow this time, which is located right over here, or you can just go ahead and tap on don't allow, whichever is convenient for you. And after you've done that as well, go ahead and tap on the center and wait patiently until it's loaded completely. Once you're done enabling the notification, now you can go ahead and open up a particular chat from a Snapchat, and then you can just double click on it and you'll be able to view Snap on Snapchat web. So in this way you can view Snap on Snapchat web. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.